We want to solve this inequality, and we want to clear our fractions first by multiplying by x, x plus 1, x plus 4. I'm working this algebraically first, and then I'll show you another way you can work it in just a minute. So here the x's cancel, and you're left with x plus 1 times x plus 4 minus, and the x plus 1's cancel, and you're left with x times x plus 4. And then the x plus 4's cancel, and you're left with x times x plus 1. And if you FOIL that out, you get x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x squared minus 4x equal x squared plus x. And the x squareds cancel. Combine your x's, you get x plus 4 equal x squared plus x. It's a quadratic equation. You need to get 0 on one side. The x's cancel, and you're left with x squared minus 4. And if you factor this difference of two squares, it gives you x plus 2 times x minus 2. Set each one equal to 0 and solve. And you get an x equal negative 2 or x equal 2. So that would be answer C. Now the other way to work this problem, if you look at 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 equal 1 over x plus 4, you know x cannot equal 0, negative 1, or negative 4, because those values of x would give you 0 in the denominator, and that would be undefined. You can't have it. So that knocks out answer A, B, and what? E. So if you look at answer C, you have negative 2. You could do 1 over negative 2 minus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. Is that equal to 1 over negative 2 plus 4? So that's negative 1/2 minus 1 over negative 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Is that equal to a 1 over 2? So this is negative 1/2. A negative and a negative is a positive, plus 1. Is that equal to 1/2? And it is. Negative 1/2 plus 1 is positive 1/2 equals 1/2. There's your answer. Either way you want to work it.